y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view what I got in my Boxyluxe for June of 2020. I'm excited because the month is gonna be over after tomorrow, so we're very late for this, but it did take forever for me to get it. I got this Thursday, and now it's Monday. But it still came really late, and then I just wasn't in the mood to film because, you know, the world right now, everything going on, just kind of down and not in the mood. But now I'm excited to actually open it and show you what I got, which I'm so excited about my choice item. I don't remember what my other choice was because, like, I remember back in the day, you know, like 6 months ago, I could remember this stuff, and now I don't remember anything anymore. It's kind of sad, but we're gonna open it up. And to everyone else that hasn't gotten their Boxyluxe yet, or their premium, or their regular box, I am so sorry, and I hope that it comes to you because I know how it feels. The month is going to be ending after tomorrow, and it's just unacceptable, but I get it too. But also, like, Boxycharm, get it together, okay? I need my stuff. Just kidding, I don't need it that bad. I just want to be sassy. Oh, I changed my lighting up. I put the light here instead of back there. Can you tell the difference? With the highlighter. I'm sorry. I woke up today and I told myself, you're not gonna be depressed today. So that's what I told myself, and that's why I am putting such a smile on my face. Okay, enough is enough. You guys, if you enjoy unboxings from your friendly neighborhood spoiler unboxing gal, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It means so much to me because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed to me. So if you're already a viewer, if you would go ahead and do me the honor and subscribe, it would literally melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I keep trying to like hide my bra strap with my hair because I cannot find my good sports bra right now, so that's good. Oh, I didn't drop anything important. I just dropped some paper. I thought like I dropped something and it broke, but it looks to be literally just paper. Is that it? There's no styrofoam in this box? There's a palette in here and there's no protecting except for 3 pieces of this. That's good. Love that. So the first thing on top is my choice item, and this is from Hallmark, not Hallmark. Hallmark. Have you ever gone through Alabama to go to Florida and you've seen the big mansion over on the side of the interstate, and it's the people that, you know, invented Hallmark, and they had they used to, I don't think they still do, have like the train tracks all around their property because they put it in so their kid could ride a train. Yeah, but not those Hallmarks. This is Hallmarked. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, well, there you go. Now you know. Okie. So here is the eye mask. I'm so excited because I sleep with one of these every single night, and this one looks so pretty, and I love that it has this because the one that I have to like tuck behind my ears because I've had it for so long that the thing is like stretched out. So I love that this is adjustable and it's so soft, and I can't wait to look so bougie. And then this is so pretty. I love this one, and I did get a silver one that I chose for my Fab Fit Fun. So this is gonna go great because I've been using it and it is so soft, so I cannot wait to wash this and sleep with it. Okay, we have a card this time. I have box number 52, which I'm starting to think like this could not be variation 52, like as if there's 52 variations. I'm starting to think that's not what it means. Anyways, that little set there is $50. Do I believe it? Possibly. I know nothing about bedding, but I know bedding is expensive, okay? Though I don't typically like satin anything. I prefer my like $16.99 Target microfiber sheets. I love those. I buy them all the time. Not all the time, but those are the ones I buy. They're so good. Okay, I'm going off now. Next, eyeshadow palette, Tarte. I had the remix one. I sold it actually. Hopefully this isn't broken because, you know, no protect it. This is a $49 palette. I'm actually really excited because the shades online look so freaking gorgeous. This palette, a little rough looking. Hopefully it's not broken. It's not broken. Oh. Oop. I'm a mess today. You know what? This palette looks so freaking beautiful. I'm so excited about this. And it smells good. So this is a win. The remix one I was just kind of like meh, but this one's a win. This retails for $49. I can see it retailing for $49. I've seen it on sale, I think for like 20 something, or maybe, I don't know, whatever. Next up, oh, we have a card insert from Kylie Skin. Enjoy $5 off. No, thank you. Oh, we have a Pure Lease card. See, when do they start adding this stuff? Okay, next up we have from Kylie Skin, which, I mean, am I going to use it? Yes. Was I excited about getting Kylie Skin in my box? Not really, because of the reviews. But I mean, I think the foaming face wash will be perfectly fine. I do like Kylie Cosmetics, so we'll have to give this a go for sure. And this retails for $24. Kylie Skin, rub-a-dub-dub. I like the packaging. It's really pretty. I just really want to, can I open this just to whiff it? Whiff it good. Oh shit! I mean, crap! Sorry! It leaked on me. I mean, it smells good. Oh Lord. See, I try not to cuss in my videos because my mom watches and it's very awkward because I feel like weird cussing in front of my family. Like, I just don't do it. But like, you know. Next up, oh, this was my choice item. I'm so excited. This is from Tula. This is the Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, $28. Bam. So excited. Does my camera wanna? Nope. Okay. I'm excited. Tula, yes. Oh, speaking of Tula, I got this in, I think, IPSY. This one right here, the sunscreen. Oh, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Just wanted to throw that in there. Let me just take a sip. Again, excuse my bra. I've been having my cervical muscle spasms again, and I cannot find my good sports bra that doesn't like weigh down on my neck. So yeah. Anyways, Tula, I want to smell this. Whoa, what does this do? Oh, wait. Okay, so this smells very weird. It smells weird, but I'm gonna give it a go. Really excited. So we have sleeping necessities, palette so far, 2 skin items. We have from Melanin Goats. I forgot how to pronounce it. This stuff comes in IPSY all the time. And apparently this is a really good brand, and I didn't know. So this is Recovery Treatment Oil. Fast absorbing treatment is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Boy, do I need this, because I feel like ever since I turned 26 this year, the wrinkles just keep coming and they keep showing up. What does this smell like? Oh, that smells freaking bomb.com. How much does this cost? $82. I'm gonna have bougie skin, I'll tell you that. Next up is something that actually sounds really good. Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF 30, oil-free, moisturizing for all, excuse me, for all skin types, even sensitive. I'm excited about this because Pure Lease is really, really good. I got a Pure Lease watermelon cleanser in my Allure this month, and I've already gone through half of it because it's so good, and every single time it leaves my face feeling soft. You know when you try a cleanser and it's like, oh my god, it's so good, my face is soft, but then you do it like 3 or 4 more times and you're like, I don't really see the same effects anymore with it. Not with that Pure Lease one. With that one, every single day my skin feels like I literally lathered it with butter, and then it feels great all day. So I'm excited for this because I could pair this with the Tula Skin, what is that called? What do I keep popping? I don't know where that came from in this video. I'm all over the place. I'm so sorry. It might be because I had coffee this morning already, and then I went to Dunkin' for a frozen coffee because I had one yesterday, and it put me in such a good mood that I needed another one. This is good for going places and putting it on. Natural looking makeup day. A natural makeup day BB cream. I've always loved the Maybelline BB cream so much. Like that one, I went through like 8 tubes of that at one point, and now I'm excited to try a different kind of BB cream because the Maybelline one's the only one I've ever tried. Hands down, really, really good. But anyways, let's move on. We have something from Bodyography, and I know I've heard of this brand. What is this? I don't even know what this is. The package is a little smushed. Bodyography. What is this? Professional Cosmetics Lip pencil 2-pack. Oh, I love lip pencils. We have it in Pouty and Rosewood. You know, Pretty Little Liars, Rosewood. $28 for 2 lip pencils. I don't know about that, but actually I don't know what the deal is with Bodyography, but I know I've heard that name before. And not just like in unboxings, like people like using their makeup. Whoa, okay, hold on. But yeah, $28 for 2 literal lip pencils. You got me effed up. Okay, so we have 2 lip pencils. I barely touch it to my skin and it glides. So at least it's not like that St. Lux like eyeliner that we had that like ripped your skin in two. Yeah, barely touching, and it already like put some lines on my skin. So that's actually really hopeful. The last thing in here is from M Greengrass. This is CBD head to toe cream. CBD level 100 milligrams of cannabidiol. Ooh, I don't know what that means. What is this? This is a multi-active formula, offers intense moisture, boosts hydration with soothing and calming benefits while leaving skin feeling smooth and restored. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots. From head to toe, use 1 to 2 pumps, ideal for all skin types. So this retails for $56. Will I use it? I have no idea, but let's give it a sniff. Smells okay. Yeah, so that's everything I got in my box. Okay, now let's compare this to the last Boxyluxe that we had. I love this one. The last Boxyluxe that we got, I swear, had so many filler products. Like we had the, now don't come for me, I absolutely loved the, what was it? The, this thing. Sol de Janeiro hand cream and the Coco Cabana hand cream. That's the reason why I spent like $48 on this candle, however much it is, and other stuff. I love that, but they were travel sizes. And then we also had a miniature set of nail polishes and very non-everyday wearing lipstick, and that's all I can remember. But I just know the last Luxe was Booty Hole. This one's so good. I want to hear your thoughts, because the value in this, we have $24, $35, $28, $49, $50, $56, $82, $28. Like, the value is freaking phenomenal for 50 bucks. Like, I think this beat my Fab Fit Fun for sure this month. But yeah, let me know all your thoughts and opinions as always down below. You know I love to hear your opinions, and I know I love to give them. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you loved it, give it a thumbs up. Hopefully it wasn't too weird and awkward for you, because it was for me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!